Hello and welcome. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how it feels to truly have everything you desire? Imagine, for a moment, that you already have it all: money, success, love, and happiness. How would you act if this were your reality right now? When you think and act as if you already have everything you desire, something extraordinary happens. You begin to align yourself with that very reality. Your thoughts, your actions, and your beliefs all start to match the life you want to create. But here's the thing, it's not about waiting for the circumstances to change. It's about changing the way you think and the way you act, right here and right now. You create your world through your thoughts and feelings. If you truly want to manifest your desires, you must begin by acting as though they are already yours. We are all creators of our own lives, whether we are aware of it or not. Most people go through life reacting to circumstances rather than actively shaping them. But when you understand that your thoughts are what create your reality, you realize that the power is always in your hands. To begin the process of creating your desired life, the first step is to think and act as if you already have it. This isn't some trick or superficial act. It's a mindset shift that will transform the way you experience life. Think about this: if you already had everything you wanted, how would you move through the world? Would you walk with confidence? Would you speak with authority? Would you feel abundant, at peace, and free? The way you carry yourself plays a significant role in your ability to manifest your desires. When you start to think as though you already possess everything, you start to move and act as though it's already yours. This shifts your energy and begins to draw those desires into your reality. The key here is to act as if, not because you're pretending, but because in truth, everything exists within you. Your inner world shapes your outer world. By believing and acting as though you already have what you want, you are in alignment with the very thing you're trying to attract. It's like planting a seed in fertile soil and nurturing it with the right thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Over time, that seed will grow into the reality you've been imagining. It's important to understand that the process is not about faking it or deceiving yourself. It's about truly embodying the state of mind and being that aligns with your desires. When you can truly believe in your heart that you already have what you want, you are not merely hoping for it to show up. You are already living in the vibration of it. And that vibration will eventually attract the circumstances that match it. What happens next is remarkable. As you continue to think and act as if you have it all, your life begins to change. Opportunities begin to show up. People start responding to you differently. You notice things that were always there but never seemed relevant before. You begin to see yourself differently, too. The doubts, fears, and worries that once held you back lose their grip on you. You are no longer a passive observer of your life, but an active participant in creating the life you want. This is not some distant future reality. This is about now. The moment you start thinking and acting as if you have everything you desire, you activate a new way of being. And from this new state of being, everything starts to flow toward you. The universe responds to your energy, and your energy is one of abundance, possibility, and certainty. Now, let's get a little deeper into this idea. Acting as if it is not just about external behaviors. It's about your internal state of being. How do you feel when you act as if you already have everything you want? Do you feel empowered? Peaceful? Grateful? That feeling, that internal state, is the key. You must feel as though you already have it. And the more you feel it, the more it becomes your reality. It's important to cultivate this feeling daily. It's easy to fall back into old patterns of doubt or worry, but recall, the key to manifesting your desires lies in your ability to consistently align your thoughts and actions with the reality you wish to create. And the more you practice this, the easier it becomes. There's a simple yet powerful exercise you can try right now. Take a moment to imagine yourself living the life you desire. Visualize it clearly in your mind. Then, allow yourself to feel the emotions that come with having it all. What does it feel like to live that life? Now, begin to think and act as though those feelings are already your reality. Walk through your day with the confidence and peace of someone who already has everything they desire. Pay attention to how your energy shifts. This exercise is more than just a mental exercise. It's a way to reshape your vibration and align it with your desires. The more you practice, the more you begin to attract experiences that mirror your internal state. And soon enough, you'll find that the external world begins to reflect the life you've been imagining. It's also important to note that the process is gradual. It may take time for the full manifestation of your desires to appear in your physical world. But this doesn't mean you are doing something wrong. The universe is always working on your behalf, and when you remain in alignment with your desires, you will inevitably see them manifest. Patience and persistence are key. Trust in the process and know that everything you want is already on its way to you. The power of thinking and acting as if you already have it all is that it brings you into harmony with your desires. It brings your inner world into alignment with your outer world. And when these worlds align, that is when the magic happens. So, I encourage you to take a step today. Begin thinking and acting as if you already have everything you want. Imagine the life you want to create, and then live as though it's already here. Watch as the universe responds, and as your desires begin to manifest in ways you couldn't have imagined. The power is within you, and it all starts with your thoughts and actions. Start today, and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. Your thoughts shape your world. When you start acting as if you already have everything you desire, you are stepping into your true power. You are no longer a passive participant but a conscious creator. The more you practice this, the more effortless it becomes. The power of thinking and acting as though you already have it all extends beyond simply imagining a better life. It requires a deep shift in perception, one that moves you from being a passive observer of your circumstances to being an active creator. This shift is subtle but profound. When you begin to truly believe that everything you desire is already yours, it's as if the universe begins to move in response to that belief. The key is consistency. It's not enough to act as if for a few moments and then return to old patterns of thinking. The process requires persistence. You must continue to think, feel, and act as if you already have it all, even when the evidence around you seems to suggest otherwise. The world may not instantly reflect your inner state, but rest assured, it is shifting to match your vibration. And when it does, you'll see how all the pieces fall into place in ways that you may not have expected. Consistency is also crucial because it's easy to fall back into old habits. Our minds are conditioned by years of societal influences, family beliefs, and personal experiences. These can create a sense of limitation and scarcity. But when you choose to act as though you already have everything you desire, you break free from those limitations. You start to redefine what's possible for you. This isn't about denying your current reality but about choosing to see beyond it. It's about looking at your life from the perspective of abundance, not lack. So, what will you choose to believe? What will you choose to think? What will you choose to act upon? The possibilities are limitless when you start thinking and acting as if you have it all. Your reality is only limited by the thoughts and beliefs you hold about it. Choose to believe in abundance. Choose to believe in success. Choose to believe in love, happiness, and fulfillment. And most importantly, choose to believe that you already have it all. When you think and act as if you have it all, the world will begin to reflect that belief back to you. And when the world reflects it, you will know with certainty that your desires are on their way. Believe it, feel it, and act as if. The world will follow.